Fashion industry is exciting and establishing a career as a fashion designer can be very lucrative, but it's hard work. Hi, this is Vishal Kalia from Fashion Marketing, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 ways on how to become a fashion designer and how long will it take in each one of those ways until you become a fashion designer. Plus, I'm going to share with you one tool that will make you a fashion designer today. So keep watching. So let's look at number 1, which is blogger first. So until a few years, this path did not exist, but now it has emerged as one of the strongest alternatives to going to fashion schools. You know, what you need to realize and understand is to become a successful fashion designer, you need to be able to sell your product. And to sell your product, you need customers. By becoming a blogger first, you can develop a loyal following. And when you are ready to launch your own line, you don't have to go hunt for customers. Your followers will become your customers. So one of the biggest examples of bloggers turned designers is, the founder of Blonde Salad and Michelle Pham at Ipsy. Both of them started as bloggers and then they ventured out into launching their own fashion design and makeup companies. And one of the reasons why their companies are so successful is because they already had developed a loyal following through their blogs, so they didn't have to go look for customers when they launched their new product. So how long will it take through this route? It all depends on you. So if you're committing on your blog full time, you're doing at least 2 to 3 posts, like a good post every week, and you do it for at least 2 to 3 years a period of time, you should be able to get around 75 to 100,000 subscribers or followers. And that time is a good time to launch your own line. So either you can teach yourself during those times your basic design skills when you're launching your line, or you can partner with someone and co-create because you already have customers. And if somebody else has been focusing on their design skills, you can merge together and launch your line. So number 2 is artist first. So if you create a watercolor painting, or you take really good photographs, a sculpture, a sketch, anything that you can submit in a digital format, you can use the tool called shopvida.com, and they will take your design or take your image or your sketch, whatever you have created, and they will put it on a scarf, on a bag, on a wallet, pocket squares, and you can start selling the stuff today. You will get your own landing page, you can direct traffic to your page, and every sale you make, they will manufacture it for you and you get 10% of the sales. So by using this tool, you can literally become a fashion designer tonight. So number 3 is self-taught. There is no formal degree or education officially required to become a fashion designer. You would need a combination of creative and business skills. So creative skills include drawing, sewing, sketching, etc. And business skills include marketing, website, finance, and so forth. But that doesn't make it any easier. Learning on your own requires immense discipline for a few years. You have to be on it day in and day out as you build your portfolio and strengthen your knowledge about the fashion industry. So number 4 is, of course, fashion schools. Fashion schools have a set curriculum that will make you go through a step-by-step process, and you will learn different aspects of fashion, example, sewing, merchandising, marketing. This could be a good fit for you if you are not clear on how to go about and you want a step-by-step process on how to become a fashion designer. You will meet a lot of like-minded people. You would give you connections within the industry. But going through a fashion school can be expensive. On average, it could cost you up to $100,000 for a bachelor's degree. And some schools provide scholarships, but overall, you will have to bear the cost. The best way that I would personally recommend is become a blogger first. Because by the end of the day, no matter, businesses don't fail because people don't have product ideas. Businesses fail because they run out of money, or they just don't have enough customers to support. So if you start the blogging route, it's a slow process. You will have to put in a lot of effort into blogging and spend next 3 years doing this. You will be able to create an initial set of customers. So then no matter what kind of product you launch, so you could launch like a dress, shoes, makeup product, whatever you end up launching, you will already have a set of customers. And customer acquisition is usually the most expensive part for any business. So I would recommend going that route if you're really serious about this. And in the next video, we are going to talk about how to pick a fashion school if that's the route you actually want to go to and you want a structured way on how to become a fashion designer. So hi, this is Vishal Kalia from Fashion Marketing, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them in the form of a comment and I'll be more than happy to answer. And thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day.